Hello, you are welcome. I'm Skill Man, your number one coach on production, all kinds of paint production, cosmetic production, food processing, any kind of interior design work. We got you covered. Today, I will show you how to produce liquid soap for dishwashing. So, here is my measuring scale. How to use the measuring scale. Okay, the measuring scale is powered on. You can see that. So if you place this bowl, I want to use this bowl for measuring. For example, if you place it on top, you see that it has weight. For you to cancel the weight of this bowl, you now turn it off and turn it on while it's still on top. So you simply cancel the weight of that bowl. So whatever thing you are measuring now will start from zero. So let's do it now. Okay, see the weight of this particular chemical now is 17 grams. Okay, so that is how to use this scale, ladies and gentlemen. So now let me introduce the chemicals to you. We have what I have here is soda ash. Okay, soda ash, or you can use light ash or simply soda ash. Okay, I have my nitrous soap, that is thickener. Okay, I have my SLS, that is sodium lauryl sulfate. Okay, I have my caustic soda as well. So all these chemicals look alike, but they are not the same. They have different functions. So the manual I will send you contains the functions and the quantity you are going to add in each of these chemicals. Okay, I still have my color. If I want to add color, so this is green color, water-based green color. Okay, so I have my fragrance. I can use orange fragrance, lemon, strawberry, any type of fragrance you want to add. So I can also add a preservative, as you can use formalin as a preservative. Okay, don't forget we have our um, sulfonic acid. So this is sulfonic acid. All right, you need to know the functions of these things in our production. So the water I'm using for production today, so you see that. So I'm going to share this water into two. I'm going to divide it into two. Okay, so this, the first part, I'm going to start adding my chemicals accordingly. What is the first thing to add? I'm going to add my natural soap. Natural soap is the first thing I just added. You can see that. Just add it and turn it maybe for about a minute or 30 seconds. Then you add the next thing. Okay, so I'm going to add the next thing, which is SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. That's the next I'm going to add. I'm going to cut from the same half part of the water I shared before. I'll simply add this, dissolve this SLS. Make sure you dissolve it, please. Just add it in a water like this, stir it a little bit. Then you now add into the production, to the bowl that you are using for production. So how many things have I added now? I think I've added two things. That is natto soap, and the second one is SLS. So after turning it for about 1 minute again, you add the next chemical. And the next chemicals I'm adding is the soda ash or simply light ash. Okay, you see now, you dissolve it also and add and continue stirring. Okay, okay, so you see what it looks like now. Okay, never mind, keep on turning, it will come out fine. Okay, so the next thing to add now is our caustic soda. So adding caustic soda, you still do the same thing. Okay, you dissolve it separately also, just like what I'm doing now. Dissolve it separately and do what? You simply add it. Okay, so that is how to do it. Okay, or what, you keep on turning it, keep on turning. Okay, see what it looks like, guys. Okay, see what it looks like. So we are going to add the next thing, which is our we're going to add the sulfonic acid now. Okay, that's the next thing. since it is liquid, don't need to dissolve that separately again, just add it directly. Okay, so you can see the thing has softened. Okay, you see what it looks like now after adding a sulfonic acid. You can see that. Okay, so okay guys, see what I have already. Okay, I think I'm getting something very wonderful. See what I'm having already. So we are going to add the next chemical right now. So let us add our color. Okay, I'll just get my green color. See what I'm going to do. I will dissolve the green color, just little of the color. I'll add water. See, see, pure green color. So make sure you dissolve it before you add it. So you have to make sure you dissolve the color. So after dissolving the color, you simply add it. Okay, add your color. Okay, don't need to add excess color. So however, it's your choice. If you want to add it much, it's your choice. If you want to add it lightly, it's your choice. Okay, so you can see. Okay, guys, I think I have something very cool here. I have something nice. So we are going to add the next thing. The next thing we are going to add is our fragrance. Okay, make sure you have to measure your fragrance. Okay, measure it. Okay, and finally, guys, I'm going to add my preservative. Okay, make sure you measure. So this is what I have, guys. The final product is here. Leave this thing for about 30 minutes, 1 hour time. You come and check it. You see, because what we have here is a combination of the soap and the foam, but this thing is going to settle down. If it is too thick, it will take more time to settle down, but if it is not as much thick, it will not take much time. So the thicker it is, the longer time it takes to settle down. So we'll come back and see what it looks like after about maybe 1 hour time. So I'm going to pause the video and come back. Okay, okay, so after about 1 hour time, see what the thing looks like. So the thing is gradually settling. Can you see that? It's gradually settling down, but we still have foam. It's gradually settling down. So that is how the soap will finally settle down. So let us get a sample so that we see what it looks like. We just produce a very nice product right now. So so let's see what it looks like. See what it looks like in the bottle, the container. Okay, looking very nice. So don't forget that it has not finally settled down. Okay, it's still settling down. So by the time it settles down, you will now form that gel looking transparent clear soap. Okay, so let's see we'll see come back to it and see what it looks like. Okay, okay, after some times you see the settling is in progress. It has settled reasonably, so it will still settle more. I see, guys, and now see the extent it has settled. Okay, so it will continue to settle until everything becomes very clear and bright. All right, so thank you for watching. Please, all you need to do is to DM. If you don't have the manual, we send you the manual for production. We can send you formula for 1 liter, 5 liters, 20 liters, any quantity you want to give you the formula for that. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.